This mathcast is intended for grade 2. The learning objective is relate manipulative representations to a written method, created by Pamela Gleisner. Some vocabulary that will be helpful during this mathcast is place value. We have the ones place and the tens place. Vertical way, adding 2 or more numbers by placing them on top of each other and then adding them together by place value. Also, we'll be using friendly numbers, numbers that are easy to add or subtract from each other. Here we're going to be making friendly numbers. We have 66 plus 24. In the number 66, we have 6 tens and 6 ones. In the number 24, we have 2 tens and 4 ones. On our first lines that we need to fill in, we're only going to put the tens place. So here we'll put that we have 6 tens, or 60, and 2 tens, or 20. 60 plus 20 is 80. So now we've used these places, and now we need to use our ones. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we need to add these two. 80 plus 10 equals 90. That number is going to come back up here. 90. Next we have 47 and 18. Our first number has 4 tens and 7 ones, and our second number has 1 10 and 8 ones. So let's break them apart again. 4 tens is equal to 40, and 1 10 is equal to 10. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Now we have our ones place. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now we need to add our friends here. 50 plus 15 equals 65. That number will come up here. Our answer is 65. Here are 2 more examples of making friendly numbers. We have 15 plus 24. 15 has 1 10. 24 has 2 tens. 10 plus 20 equals 30. 15 has 5 ones. 24 has 4 ones. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 30 plus 9 equals 39. On to the next. 35 plus 67. 35 has 3 tens. 67 has 6 tens. 30 plus 60 equals 90. 35 has 5 ones, and 67 has 7 ones. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 90 plus 12 equals 102. Here we're going to be adding the vertical way and then using the place value charts to check our work. Here we have 72 plus 16. In order to add the vertical way, you must line your numbers up perfectly with the ones, tens, and then if you use hundreds or thousands place. Here we're going to add our 6 and our 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now we're going to move over into our tens place. 7 plus 1 equals 8, making our answer 88. Now if we come over to the place value charts, it gets a little bit tricky, but you just need to make sure you separate your numbers. So in the tens, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots to represent the 7 tens in 72. In the ones, we're going to put 2 dots to represent the 2 ones in 72. Closer to the bottom, we're going to put 1 dot to represent the 1, 10, and 16. And over in the ones, we're going to put 6 dots to represent the 6 ones in 16. In order to add these together, we are simply going to count the dots. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. Our numbers are exactly the same. Here we're going to add the vertical way again and use place value charts to help us check our work. 37 plus 21. First, we're going to add 7 and 1, and the answer is 8. Next, we're going to add 3 plus 2, and our answer is 5. We're going to come over to the place value chart and put 3 dots for our 3 tens in 37. And then 7 dots in our ones place for our 7 ones. Closer to the bottom, we're going to put 2 dots for our 2 tens for 21 and 1 dot for our 1 in 21. Now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Once again, our numbers are exactly the same. Thanks for watching.